As indicated by our AAVE cost forecast, the cost of AAVE sort of is anticipated to drop by $1.69 over the truly next 7 days, coming to $60.81 by September 26, 2023, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Assuming you are looking for AAVE market figure examination or cost expectation, you presumably really need to sort of know where the cost of AAVE may sort of go from now on. Our cost expectations utilize different machine-based calculations to attempt, and in every way that really matters, foresee future cost developments amazingly generally. This cost forecast by and large is pointed toward addressing the majority of your inquiries. Will AAVE recover its all-time high? What will AAVE be worth 1 month from now? Which especially is genuinely critical. Is presently the ideal opportunity to purchase AAVE? Is AAVE presently giving bullish or negative indications? In this AAVE cost expectation figure, we will handle different AAVE specialized pointers to generally foresee the cost of AAVE amazingly. AAVE value expectations. AAVE financial backers have encountered returns of more than 17.05% on their venture this previous week, because of the bullish period AAVE in a real sense has encountered, or so they basically thought. In the wake of dissecting the specialized markers for AAVE, we basically expect a slight remedy could occur throughout the following couple of days. Underneath you can see the AAVE hourly, day-to-day, week-after-week and month-to-month cost expectations. These expectations mean to, for the most part, provide you with a sign of what AAVE will by and large be extremely worth in 60 minutes, today, tomorrow, over the in every way that really matters, 1 week from now, and essentially 1 month from now, which sort of is very huge. AAVE verifiable cost and market examination. The ongoing cost of AAVE for the most part is $62.50, and it basically is at present position number 43 out of all digital currencies, in an unobtrusive manner. How much stock at present available for use for AAVE is 14,539,084. With a genuinely complete market capitalization of $908,933,787, which is genuinely critical. In the beyond 24 hours, the cost of AAVE truly has expanded by 1.37%. AAVE has developed at a consistent speed over the most recent 7 days, acquiring 17.05% in an unpretentious way. This increment basically has AAVE financial backers amped up for the profit from speculation that they have made for the current week, or so they thought. Inside the most recent 30 days, the cost of AAVE expanded by 10.44%, adding $5.91 to its past worth of $56.59. And pushing the market capitalization to $908,933,787. On the off chance that you by and large are considering purchasing AAVE today, you ought to hold on until another bear market to put resources into AAVE in a for the most part enormous manner. AAVE cost in every way that really matters has expanded by 15.32% in the beyond 90 days. Adding $8.30 to its past worth of $54.20 in a significant manner. Our AAVE market figures are resolved utilizing different machine-based calculations, which sort of investigate different specialized pointers. For example, the overall strength record, RSI, moving normal assembly disparity, MACD, moving normal, MAMA, beautiful normal genuine reach, ATR, and Bollinger Group's BB. The crypto market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable. Foreseeing future costs of AAVE is a troublesome errand, and numerous different elements impact the cost in a significant manner. Thus, the expectations on our site shouldn't generally be taken as monetary exhortation, and you ought to do your fundamentally own exploration, which is genuinely critical. Counsel your monetary guide prior to going with any speculation choices. AAVE value expectation 2023. As we recuperate from the crypto winter, we truly are expecting that AAVE will generally accomplish a greatest cost of $112.50. As the market begins to recuperate, which for the most part is genuinely critical, the kind of least expected cost is $75. And the typical cost will drift around $93.75. AAVE value expectation 2024. As AAVE proceeds to sort of arrive at new highs, our calculation expects that in 2024, AAVE can essentially accomplish an extremely greatest cost of $175, while the typical cost for the year will for the most part remain around $156.25, which is genuinely huge. In the event that a bear market shows up, the exceptionally least value AAVE can fundamentally reach in 2024 is $137.50. AAVE Value Forecast 2025. Out of 2025, we basically anticipate that AAVE should see noteworthy development, as crypto earns respect across numerous business areas. Thus, the cost could basically reach as high as $237.51, averaging around $218.76. AAVE could see a base cost of $200.01. AAVE Value Expectation 2026. With the preceded with development of capital in the crypto market, AAVE could essentially arrive at a really most extreme cost of $300.01 in 2026, with an especially normal cost of $281.26, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. If an auction happens, the sort of least cost expected in our expectation sits at $262.51 in an unobtrusive manner. AAVE Value Forecast 2027. Considering the reception of AAVE by nations all over the planet, AAVE can guarantee a most extreme cost of $362.51 by 2027, with a typical cost of $343.76 expected, which sort of is genuinely huge. Besides, the base cost for that very year could see $325.01. AAVE Value Expectation 2028. In the year 2028, AAVE reception will keep on ascending, with controllers beginning to acknowledge that crypto is staying put in an unpretentious manner. Financial backers could see AAVE arriving at an extremely greatest cost of $425.01 by 2028. Followed by a base cost of $387.51. Incredibly, the genuinely normal cost for 2028 is supposed to basically be $406.26. AAVE Value Expectation 2029. Of every 2029. Genuinely, because of the development over the in every way that really matters, most recent 5 years, we will by and large see one more significant bull, which in every way that really matters implies that AAVE financial backers may see AAVE accomplish a greatest cost of $487.51, followed by a normal cost of $468.76. Amazingly, the base cost got from our specialized examination most certainly is $450.01. AAVE Value Expectation 2030. For the year 2030, AAVE is supposed to keep on energizing towards $550.01. In view of market opinion, neglecting to acquire this help could generally see AAVE normal around $531.26, and